Hey, wonderful moms! How are you today? Let's talk about something we all face, staying motivated. It's tough, isn't it? And one of the biggest things holding us back is gratitude. Sometimes we forget to say thank you in the morning. I'm not saying we're ungrateful, but life gets overwhelming. We're worn out, unfulfilled, and just drained. But here's something I've learned. When you seek, you shall find. If you truly want motivation, start seeking. Look for inspiration in other moms, in yourself, in your journey, because you have so much to offer. Let's take this journey together. Together, we can lift each other up. When one of us feels down, there's always someone ready to support and understand, and that's what we need. I know it's hard. We tend to isolate ourselves, standing in the background while we give everything to our children. In the process, we forget about ourselves. This leads to stress, depression, and sometimes even health problems. And often, it's because we're stuck on the things we don't want to do. Moms, if you need a break, take it. It's okay. Find someone to guide you, whether it's a teacher, a coach, or just another mom on the same path. I've created a Facebook community called Mother Motivated, where moms like us can come together, share tips, and support each other. Soon I'll be hosting live Zoom sessions where we can talk about the real struggles of motherhood. Sometimes we just need someone to listen, someone unbiased, outside our circle of family and friends. Let me share a story. When I used to coach middle school soccer, one student told me her mom's only friends were other soccer moms. Everything revolved around the kids, leaving no room for her mom's personal life. That cycle needs to change. Moms, you are not alone. You can't do it all by yourself, and that's okay. Let's break the isolation and create friendships that go beyond our children's activities. Remember, we are blessed. There are women out there who would give anything to have children, yet we sometimes forget to appreciate the gift we've been given. Let's wake up each day with gratitude in our hearts. And don't forget to take care of yourself. Love yourself. Look in the mirror and say, I love you. When you're full of love for yourself, you can give so much more to your kids. Moms, you are enough. You're amazing. Let's stay motivated, stay connected, and keep pushing forward. Join me on Mother Motivated on Facebook and Instagram. Let's keep this journey going together. I'd love to hear from you. Leave your thoughts, questions, and ideas. Take care, moms, and remember, you've got this.